Myself, Dr. Dinesh Budra, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist, and laser specialist. I am also editor of three newspapers: Skin and Hair Times, Saundarya Varta, Saundarya Mantra, and I am also doing the medical legal consultancy. In today's video module, we are talking about the skin, the basic structure of skin, and the functions of the skin. Basically, skin, as all of you know, is the one of the biggest organ of our body, and skin has its own importance in our body. Skin is made up of three layers. Number one, superficial topmost layer is the epidermis, then below epidermis is the dermis, and then the subcutaneous fat or subcutaneous tissue. The skin is made up of three layers: epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. This epidermis is further divided into four layers. Number one, topmost is the stratum corneum, then stratum granulosum, then stratum spinosum, and then stratum basilae. And also in this epidermis, there is the presence of Langerhans cells and melanocytes in the epidermis. These melanocytes play a very important role, and they decide the skin color, color of our skin. And these Langerhans cells have its own importance in the immunology of the skin. The below epidermis, there is the second layer called the dermis. This dermis is composed of collagen and fibroblast. With this collagen and fibroblast, it also contains hair follicles, sebaceous glands, sweat glands. Sebaceous glands are also called as pilosebaceous apparatus, and this sebaceous gland secretes the sebum, and which helps in the lubrication and hydration of the skin. Sweat glands, also called as eccrine gland, and this sweat or eccrine glands helps play a vital role in the thermal regulation of the skin. And with this hair follicles, sebaceous gland, sweat glands, there is the dermal capillaries in dermis, and at the same time lymphatics. And the third and the lower layer of the skin is the subcutaneous tissue, which is composed of the subcutaneous fat. So this is the structure of the skin. It is having three layers: epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous fat. And as all of you know, that epidermis is further having the four layers. And now comes to the function of the skin. Basically, skin has a very vital role in our body. The stratum corneum, the superficial layer of the epidermis, it plays a vital role in hydration. It maintains the hydration of the skin. And the rest of the epidermis, another three layers of the epidermis, they have a vital role in the prevention of penetration of the toxins, and also the protective role of the rest of the layers of the epidermis. The melanocytes, which are present in the epidermis, they have a role and they decide the color of our skin. And Langerhans cells play a very important role in immunity, increases the immunity. Dermis acts as a mechanical barrier against injury, and it gives a structural support to the hair. And sebaceous glands and sweat glands both are present in the dermis, and they both play a very vital role. As I told you, sebaceous gland play a vital role in lubrication, and sweat gland play a vital role in the thermal regulation. The main important functions of the skin are: number one, function of the skin is the protection. Skin protects the body from physical, chemical, and biological injuries. So protection is one of the main important function of the skin. Another is the perception. Skin also helps, it pursues various sensations like pain, touch, temperature, and vibration. Third function of the skin is the thermal regulation. Eccrine, sweat gland of our dermis, and the dermal vasculature play a very vital role in maintaining the thermal regulation. Though our body temperature is maintained, and though we are exposed to a very cold area or we are exposed to a very hot area, and that doesn't directly affect our body temperature, as skin play a very vital role in thermal regulation. Number fourth function is the barrier function. This barrier function helps, it regulates the diffusion of the substances like water and electrolytes, and also play a vital role in hydration of the skin. Fifth function of the skin is the secretory function. This secretory function synthesizes vitamin D3, and it is an important secretory function of the skin in presence of sunlight. Another function of the skin is the storage function. Dermis and fat acts as a storage function of skin, and it plays a vital role in storage of the energy. Another function of the skin is the excretory function. Excretory function prevents it helps to excrete the harmful substances from our body. Another is the immunological function. Recognition of antigens, it enhances the immunity of our body. This is also one of the important function of the skin. And the most important function of the skin is the cosmetic function. Color and texture of the skin, along with hairs and nails, play a very vital role in the individual in his aesthetic appearance. So these are the important functions of the skin, right from the protection, perception, thermoregulation to the cosmetic point of view. So in this video module, we have seen the basic structures of the skin, and at the same time, what are the functions of the skin. Thank you.